Hi guys, it's the Cubicle chick doing an impromptu video because I am driving in all this snow. Today is March 27th, 2011, and it has snowed all over the St. Louis area. And this is what my view is. I've only known it to snow once since I've been living here the last 10 years. In March and in April, but it has never snowed like this. It's predicted that we will get up to 5 inches in the St. Louis region, and it's almost April, which is crazy. But this is my route right now, and as you can see, it's snow everywhere. I mean, it's just a winter wonderland, and you would never know that spring has sprung and that it's almost April and we have all of this snow. It's crazy. It's been snowing pretty much all day non-stop, and at times there's sleet action as well, so it's pretty dangerous in some parts. My area, as you can see, the streets are clear, the neighborhood streets anyway. I'm getting ready to go out to the main thoroughfare shortly, but yes, this is what we've been experiencing here. We have a winter weather advisory or winter storm advisory today, all day until tonight. And it's just crazy because we are supposed to actually last week we had we were in flip-flops and it was 80 degrees, and this week it's this, which is absolutely crazy. So I just wanted to bring you guys a little bit of video from our winter wonderland that is St. Louis, Missouri, and document this abundance of snow that we have. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.